How you doing, folks? It's Trenius, and you're tuning into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. I don't know why my light just all of a sudden has me yellow. Oh my God, it's so weird. Like, my lighting is so different. But anyway, I'm pretty sure you don't mind. But anyway, so I woke up this morning. I was like, yo, I just be getting insights. I just be getting insights about the law of attraction, and I just know that you need to know this. And it's about the law of attraction. And so this is a law of attraction technique that you must know in order to manifest anything, folks. And it's all about focus. It's all about focus. One thing that I realized about the law of attraction is that a lot of people know how to use it, but at the same time, it's like a lot of people don't know exactly what to primarily use their focus on. It's like every day it's a new focus of law of attraction. Like every day they want to focus on something different and something different and something different. Folks, you can attract, like Floyd Mayweather said, you can attract whatever you want to attract if you have a straight shot, straight line, tunnel vision focus on that one specific thing that you want to attract. Many people cannot attract things into their life or manifest things into their life because they're focused on too many things at one time. And so they distort the universal laws. They distort the laws. The laws don't even know what they're talking about because they talk about so many different things at one time. And they got all these different things that are attracted to them, but they don't know how to like map it out. They don't know how to map the universe out because they're trying to attract so many different things at one time. And it's all coming, but they can't figure out which is which. You feel me? But if you get your vision set on one particular goal and every leaf on that goal's branch, you will understand, what type of tree it is because you are focused on one thing. You get what I'm saying? So that's very, very important when it comes down to a law of attraction technique. When it comes down to manifesting anything that you want, folks, you have to make sure you focus on one particular thing only. Now, like I said, if that thing has little mini leaves on it or whatever that comes with it, that's great. At least it's still in that category. Am I making symbolic sense? Don't focus on a whole lot of different goals at one time, folks. Complete one dream at a time. Complete one manifestation at a time. And like I said, this is where so many people go wrong, and this is why so many people do not attract that thing that they want into their life. It's as simple as that, folks. And I didn't want to hold you all day, but I just felt like I wanted to tell you that. So after this video, just make sure that you have a primary focus. After this video, go get a pen and paper or go to your dry erase board, go to your to-do list, whatever you have that you've been using to write, when it comes down to watching my videos or whatever. Make sure that you get in your mind that you have a focus of one goal at a time. One goal only, folks. Complete one goal at a time, and then you move on to the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. Me personally, I got many different things I want to accomplish in my life. Being a YouTube vlogger is not the only thing that I want to do. I have another goal after this, and I got another goal after that. I'm into comedian work. You know what I'm saying? I'm into 2D abstract painting. Yeah, I'm into 2D abstract painting. I'm into creating brands. I'm into creating products, but I can't do it all at the same time. I got to do one thing at a time, folks. And this is what it's all about, folks. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Room Network. Please make sure you subscribe. And listen, if you're a RIM team member, if you're a part of my channel, whatever, you are subscribed. I asked you on a video yesterday. Please do me a favor. Make sure y'all share at least 2 or 3 videos on your social media sites. Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Just share me, folks. We're trying to see our numbers rise here on our channel, and we're trying to grow together, and we're trying to see the results standing back just watching, okay? So make sure you do that for me. Make sure you just share some of my content to give appreciation back to me and to show me thanks, because I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for being a subscriber and always pressing the thumbs up button. Thank you so, so very much. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.